Now let us see about how versioning can be enabled on the bucket. We have this bucket and we have these content of the files that we have previously created. Let us open one of the file. Let us open index.html. This file has this URL associated with it. We will visit the URL and it says hello world. Now we will go to the file and we will edit the contents of the file and we will refresh it. Obviously it will not because we have not uploaded the file. So let us upload into the bucket the file by the name index.html that we have now updated. Add files, index.html. Let us enable the permissions for it. Now that it has uploaded, let us refresh it. Now we see the updated content. But by doing this, what has happened is that when we go to the index.html, we see that there is no clue of what the previous content of the index.html was previously. If you see this particular text box inside this bucket, this text box is there. There are no other command buttons or options available at this location, and there are no way to maintain the versions of this index.html. So once you overwrite it, the previous contents have gone. So to enable versioning on the bucket, you have to go to properties, versioning, you have to edit and enable it, save the changes. Now when you go to the bucket again, you see that this radio button has become available, which allows us to show the versions. Obviously now it has been enabled, so it will not be having any revisions. For that we will have to upload the file again and we will change it again. Let us do it. Let us change this index.html and upload it one more time. And enable the permissions. Now let us refresh the page. Yes, the new contents are there, and let's go to the bucket and we will refresh the bucket and click on the show revisions button. Here we see we have got index.html and an additional index.html, which is the new index.html that has gotten updated. So it has got a version ID associated with it. If you click on the old index.html and then the new HTML, new index.html, we see that in this the description of the file, we get in the new HTML we get this URL, and in the old HTML we get this URL. So when we click on the URL, this is the old HTML that was there, the contents of the previous HTML, and here we have the new HTML, that is the updated content. So that's how the versioning is enabled on an S3 bucket, and we can see the versions of the different files that are associated with it.